Today, I'm going to share you how to change MAC address of your network card. Now, check my MAC address. I use it 0 and my MAC address is here. Now, macchanger has reset to original, permanent hardware, MAC, random. I use -R random. Now, macchanger -S ETH0. I use ETH0. If you use 10, you type WLN 0. Now I use ETH0. This is my MAC. Now change to random MAC. So macchanger -R at 0. Now this is my new MAC. If config at 0, this is new MAC. Okay. Now you can change your MAC for safety. Reset to my original MAC. So I use -P. I use macchanger -P at 0. Now this is my original MAC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.